Hi, this is James Kandasamy in one of my property in San Antonio. Today I'm going to show you some creative ways where we have reduced our repair cost from 300,000 to less than maybe like 70,000. So if you guys can look here, we had an uneven driveway which caused a lot of water to be on the driveway and causing a lot of damage on the driveway. And we got some engineers involved and figured out a creative solution by putting a hole and what you call a water catch basin on the ground and try to fix it that way, so you don't have to fix the entire driveway. So if you look at it here, that is a big what you call pipe running on my driveway, and you can see down here there's a water catch basin down here. If you can see it down here, let me see, make sure you guys can see it. The water catch basin down there, and there's a big pipe running, and it goes until the outside to the main road. So we have to do a lot of things here. First we have to hire an engineer to figure out the solution. It took almost like $3,000 to come up with a solution, but that is better than paying 300,000 to fix up the entire driveway, right? So if you see here, the pipe goes out to the main road, and we're going to drain any water that is being stuck here whenever it rains on the driveway, causing a lot more damage. So this property had a driveway with a lot of issues for almost 20 years, and we are fixing it for once and for all and reducing the expense repair or the rehab, the capital expense that was required by the bank, which is from almost 300,000 to less than 70,000 by doing this solution. So I just want to share with you guys on some of the creative ways that you can solve problems in your apartment community. And usually Fannie and Freddie do require your driveway to be in good condition. But this driveway was really bad for past 20 years, and we have to fix it once and for all using this creative solution, which was created by one of the engineers, structural engineers. And we are doing two of those, one on this side and the other one is on the other side that goes to the I-35. And that's it. I want to share this creative solution with you guys. Hope you guys get some benefit out of this video. Thank you. Bye.